Hello everyone, welcome back to this week's market analysis. As usual, let's start with gold. On the gold chart, we had a bullish trend that entered a corrective phase in this area, and based on the recent bearish candles, we can consider a few scenarios in this chart area. At the supportive trend line area, a pullback might form, and if the bottom of the support zone holds, we could expect the beginning of a bullish trend on this chart. In the second scenario, considering the break of the blue support trend line, the corrective trend may continue on this chart. This continuation might push the corrective pattern's time window up to the marked zone here. And in this range, as long as the price holds above the green support area, a bullish trend would remain a likely scenario on the chart. If the green support zone breaks and the price stabilizes below it, the bullish trend might fail, and we could see the continuation of a bearish trend on this chart. In that case, a sharp bearish trend might begin in this area. On the Euro-USD chart, considering the potential formation of a triangle pattern in this range and also the price action at the support trend line, a continuation of the correction in this zone could develop. Based on the price behavior at the support zone, the corrective trend may extend down to the Fibonacci levels we have marked. After the correction ends in this zone and the bottom of the support trend line holds, a bullish continuation may form on the chart, where in this scenario, the bullish trend might consolidate above the resistance trend line, and we could witness a bullish trend starting on this chart. If the price breaks below the support trend line and the support area in the first place, the scenario would be invalid, and the bearish trend could be the likely scenario for the chart, which in that case may lead to a prolonged bearish trend. On the Bitcoin chart, given the break that occurred in the support zone, two potential scenarios can be considered on the chart. The first scenario could be that this zone was a fake out, where a manipulation may have taken place, and due to the rapid price reversal, this scenario might gain more strength. In this scenario, it is expected that after some correction in this range, the bullish trend continues. If the price manages to break through the resistance area, then the corrections following this bullish trend might lead to a continued uptrend on this chart, which could progress as a likely scenario. But if the price fails to hold above this range, then after the current bullish trend, which looks like this, a bearish continuation might form on this chart, where the price could push down toward the previous bottom area. At the moment, price action in the current support zone and the potential bullish move that could continue up to the green resistance zone is of importance. Depending on how price behaves in this zone, a continued bullish trend or a correction may occur on the chart. On the Dow Jones chart, we had an ABC pattern which came to an end in this area. After hitting the resistance trend line, the price managed to consolidate above this zone. In this scenario, we expect the bullish trend to continue at least up to the 78 level, and if it breaks through this range, it could extend up to 100% level as well. Once the price reached this level, a correction may occur on the chart, which after completion could lead to the main bullish trend continuing on this chart. As long as the price fluctuates above this support zone, the bullish trend remains likely. But if this support breaks, we might witness a bearish trend in the index. Thank you for watching. If you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.